Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And that's right, guys, we got some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys. So today we're going to be taking a look at Harbor Freight's hot summer coupons. Started July 28th, and it's going to go all the way through August 17th, guys. So still got plenty of time to take advantage of these great deals. So before we get into it, like always, we're only going to go through the stuff that we've had some experience with, stuff that we've heard some good or bad stuff about, and give you my thoughts and opinions on some of the stuff that we have experience with, and some things we might not have had experience with, but we've heard some good or bad stuff about. So with that being said, if I do miss something or if I skip over something, I do apologize. But if you guys would like to agree, disagree, or speak on something that I missed, please put it in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into Harbor Freight's hot summer coupons. So let's see what we got. So right off the bat, we got some air tools and compressors. Not much for us here. Here we have the Earthquake half-inch stubby air impact wrench jumbo hammer, 700 foot-pounds, and it comes in regular price is $79.99. It's on sale right now for $69.99. You guys give me your thoughts on that. How well do you guys like the Earthquake? I've heard mixed reviews, good and bad, about Earthquake, but I haven't had first-hand knowledge or first-hand experience on the tool itself. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Moving on to automotive. First up, we got this 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump from Pittsburgh. Original price is $159.99. It's on sale right now for $109.99. So not a bad deal there, guys. I've heard a lot of good stuff about the Pittsburgh jacks. My personal preference is the Daytona. If you guys followed my channel long enough, you know I'm a big advocate for the Daytona jacks. We got a 14-ounce brake clean, brake parts cleaner. This is a pretty good price for this specific brake cleaner for $4.99 on sale. Original price is $79. Excuse me. Original price is $749. So not a bad deal there. Brake cleaner always comes in handy. Next up, we got this Maddox disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit. It's 11 piece. Original price is $41.99. It's on sale right now for $29.99. So that's a great price. Maddox has some really good specialty tools out there. However, I would suggest and highly recommend spending a little extra money and get the Icon kit version of this kit. It actually comes with 2 of these. Usually one is for the left winding, the other one's for the right winding. A lot more pieces come in that kit, but this will also do as well. I don't have this specific tool. I have a lot of Maddox specialty tools, and they've never steered me wrong. So highly recommend that. Not a bad deal there. The only issue, let's see, warranty right here. It's only going to be 90-day warranty on this, whereas if you get the Icon, you get that lifetime warranty. So just some food for thought there. I don't know why some of this stuff is not coming up. Let's see. Okay, so I'm glad we clicked on this. Here's the Maddox McPherson strut spring compressor set. Original price is $34.99. It's on sale right now for $22.99. So definitely not a bad deal there. These things are very sketchy. I have this exact set, and I've used them twice, and I have not, thankfully, I have not had an issue with them, but they are very sketchy, especially this part here. This is supposed to be like a little locking mechanism, but I found that on most struts, or the two struts that I've used these on, they don't really get a good clamp on the spring, so it's just very sketchy. They have worked. I don't know anybody else out there had good or bad experience with the Maddox McPherson strut springs. Let us know in the comment section below. Moving on, we talked about these before. The Storehouse hose clamp assortment set. Original price is $5.99. They're on sale for $4.99. So not a big deal there, but it's always good to have these extras lying around. Moving on, here's a pretty cool set. It's by Icon. It's the 3/8-inch drive oil filter socket set, 7-piece. Original price is $49.99. They're on sale right now for $34.99. So not a bad deal there. This is $34.99. I want to say it's right in there about what I paid for the gear wrench version of this, which I thoroughly love and enjoy. Haven't found an excuse to get this yet. I've been eyeballing it so much though. I really would like to get the set just to kind of compare it to the gear wrench set, but definitely a good price there. Moving on, got some Hallmaster stuff, a lot of Hallmaster stuff, some Badland. Here's a Viking 20-foot 4-gauge heavy-duty jumper cables. Original price $27.99. On sale for $24.99. Not a bad deal there. Moving on to generators and plumbing. Not much for us there in the generator section. Going on to hand tools. Here we have a Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive front wheel drive axle lock nut socket set, 7-piece. Original price is $59.99. They're on sale for $39.99. So absolutely love this set. I've dealt with a lot of Pittsburgh I've dealt with a lot of Pittsburgh impact sockets, and I've never ever had an issue with them, guys. Highly recommend this kit. It's come in handy a couple times. This last time that I needed locking the axle lock nut set, this unfortunately didn't work for us because it was a 12-point, not a 6-point. But absolutely love that kit. Highly recommend it. Here we have a Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive high visibility deep socket set. It's a 10-piece. Not a bad deal, on sale for $9.99. You get your lifetime warranty on those as well. I just don't have a lot of experience with the Pittsburgh chrome sockets. Anybody else out there, you want to weigh in, give us the good, the bad, what's your guys' opinion? But honestly, for $10 and you get that lifetime warranty, it's not a bad gamble. Moving on, we got the 1/2-inch drive 50 to 250 foot-pound professional click torque wrench from Icon. Original price is $139.99. It's on sale right now for $119.99. Not a bad deal there, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Anybody have this click type torque wrench from Icon? Really curious to know, to get some feedback on their torque wrenches. Moving on, we got the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive 25-inch breaker bar. Original price is $17.99. It's on sale for $11.99, and you get that lifetime warranty, so not a bad deal there. Pretty good price. Moving on, here we have a Quinn socket set. It's the 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric high visibility socket set, 35-piece. Original price is $39.99. It's on sale for $34.99. So we've talked about this before, guys. I'm not big in the Harbor Freight socket sets. We did have a Quinn socket set. I'm not going to say just like this, but we did have a Quinn socket set before. Absolutely loved the sockets. I just hated the socket wrench. Really horrible socket wrench, but we've been through that before. Maybe I just got a bad one. Who knows? Moving on, and that's also lifetime warranty as well. Moving on, we have the Pittsburgh socket set. This is a 1/2-inch drive SAE and metric high visibility socket set, 21-piece. Original price is $29.99. It's on sale right now for $24.99. So not bad on the sets, guys. They're fairly cheap. If you want something extra lying around the house, maybe you're trying to teach your kids to use tools, or you just want something that maybe you can grind down and use and make your own specialty tool out of. These are definitely not bad expense wise, so something to think about. Next up, we have this Quinn 1/2-inch drive extendable breaker bar. Original price is $24.99. It's on sale for $21.99. Now, I did buy the 3/8-inch drive in this thing, and I was really surprised. Even though it's expandable, it really holds. It flexes a little bit in this end, but it really gets the job done. I was quite surprised at it. I really liked it, actually. I've been telling myself to get the 1/2-inch drive, but I just haven't done it yet. So not a bad deal there, and you get that lifetime warranty. Moving on to lighting and specialty. Got a couple extension cords there, not much for us there. Moving on to material handling and safety. Here we have an 800-pound capacity appliance hand truck. Original price is $129.99. It's on sale for $99.99. 800-pound capacity, not a bad deal there. I like how it has this extra little bar here to get a better grip, better reach on, let's say, like a refrigerator, something that's pretty wide. So that's pretty cool. We got another little foldable hand truck here on sale for $27.99. Not a bad deal there. Moving on to outdoor. Got a bunch of weather resistant tarps. Got a garden hose, 100-foot by 5/8 garden hose on sale for $26.99. Original price is $29.99, so not a bad deal there. Moving on into power tools. Got a few Hercules items here. Some Bauer. Not much for us here. Here's a Hercules 1/4-inch die grinder. Original price $79.99. It's on sale right now for $69.99, so not a bad deal there. This is a corded. Not a bad deal there. I've heard a lot of good stuff about Hercules. Mostly their cordless version tools. I'm assuming their corded versions are just as good. Anybody want to chime in, please put it in the comment section below. Moving on to shop and garage. Not much for us there. Going on in storage. We got these little US General mini steel toolboxes. Original price is $18.99. They're on sale right now for $14.99. And available in black, blue, and red. These things are pretty cool. I actually use one at my desk. I got my kids one for their little Hot Wheels cars, so it's pretty cool. Here we have a US General hanging tool cabinet. Original price is $99.99. It's on sale right now for $89.99. Anybody else out there have these tool cabinets from US General? What do you guys think about them? They good? Bad? Actually getting interested in maybe purchasing some, so let me know what you guys think in that comment section below. I gotta go all the way back down. Okay, moving on. Not much else for us here, guys. Moving on to welding and machinery. Not much for us here. Here we have this Central Machinery 5-inch swivel vise with anvil. Original price is $59.99. It's on sale right now for $49.99. We actually purchased this a while back. I have not used it. However, I did mount it, and I haven't used it yet, but it seems pretty nice, pretty good quality, pretty decent, at least for what I'm wanting it for, which is just to hold a few, some nuts and bolts if I need to crank on it, or what else do you use a vise for? And an anvil. So so far seems like it's good quality, although I haven't used it, so take that for what you will. And that is it, guys. That concludes our hot summer coupons. So as a bonus, we have this Make It a Savings Weekend. So for everybody from August 1st through the 3rd, you get 30% off all items $10 and under. Coupon required. However, if you are an Inside Track Club member, you get 30% off all items $20 or under. So if you're an Inside Track Club member, you get a little bit more expensive items, and you get more of a variety of items where you can take advantage of the 30% off, as opposed to non-Inside Track Club member, you only get up to $10 and under in order to use the 30% off coupon. So a lot of times it pays to be an Inside Track Club member. So anyway, guys, there you guys have it. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to go down there, hit that like button, and leave me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.